dedicated professional, devoted neurosurgeon, prolific writer, and superb human being, as well as a mentor of a person before you speaking on this mic today. That is none other than Professor A.K. Mahapatra. Professor D.K. Singh, esteemed Vice Chancellor of Technical University of Jharkhand. My younger brother, who is trained from same medical college and reforming the CIP, Director CIP Dr. Vijay Chaudhary. Our ADA, Seema Singh, Dynamic Administrator, custodian of our hospital, professor from research committee or from administration. And just for the sake of, it was not a felicitation, it was just a mark of token of respect from RIMS to such a dedicated medical professional. Of course, Deves has described so many qualities of Professor Mahapatra, but I think writing papers, 870 paper, probably you can understand those who are involved, fully engrossed in full dedicated practice. It is an iconic presentation of my mentor Professor Mahapatra as to if you indulge into the scientific side, where do you ultimately land to? A live example is here. Celebrated Professor Mahapatra did not only write scientific papers, he did not only write the books, he did not only created so many departments. The best example of his creation is Rajkumar like neurosurgeons in this country. If somebody asks me as to tell me one name who has influenced me in entire lifetime and whose reflection is falling in my personality, there is one name which I can take from here to America to Canada, anywhere, and that is called Professor A.K. Mahapatra. It's not only academic I learned from him. I learned how to write, I learned how to conduct, I learned how to be a good academician, I learned how to behave with different sectors of the society, I learned how to behave as administrator, I learned how to behave with superiors, I learned how to behave with inferiors, I learned how to behave even with the Safai Karmachari. All these, most of these traits I harbored from Professor Mahapatra. It's not only Rajkumar alone. There are several such neurosurgeons who are known in US also has been produced by Professor Mahapatra. And needless to say that when he became first time director, I think you will not be boring. The moment you feel bored, one person can raise a finger. I was not in mood to deliver a talk, but I cannot stop myself here. When I asked him, he was basically to the academics. He never wanted to become director or something like that. I am just citing an example, and I was eager to see one of my teacher or one of my person who should head the SGPGI, because SGPGI was at the verge of deteriorating. Sir may not be remembering it, but I remember it. So I found a very great known, renowned scientist of the country who was not from medical side, and I said, sir, I want to bring a director this time in SGPGI who is a high-grade academician. I convinced him. He said, okay, get a biodata. The person was very close to governor, and governor in terms was the visitor of institute, was the final authority to appoint the director. So I asked her to send his biodata. I said, what will you do? I said, you just send it. I did not tell him the objective why I am asking for it. He sent the biodata. And when I handed over that biodata for recommendation to that great scientist, do you know what did he say? कि यार तेरे को तो मैंने बायोडेटा मांगा था, किताब उठा लाया है. Such was the biodata in 2007 of Professor Mahapatra sir. So ultimately, you know, I got him from airport, took him to somewhere and took him directly to Governor House and took him back to my home and took him back to dropped in airport. Now it was a rampant discussion in SGPGI campus. Those who were contender for the director post, all were amazed कि अब तो किसी दूसरे का सिलेक्शन होना ही नहीं है, तो महापात्रा साहब को ले आया. What I wish to convey that if you are a dedicated professional, dedicated person to and honest to your job, once you go there anywhere, the fragrance of your knowledge, honesty and dedication spreads in all the direction in such a manner that many people even take back their claims for those positions. This Padma award was very late for him actually, and there had been resentment from madam as to why do you accept it at all. Because when his students have been awarded years back with the Padma award, I believe this was the time for him to have something like Padam Vibhushan, and he deserves inch by inch for that. Even the Bharat Ratna would be shorter for Professor Mahapatra. Well, sir, you have shaped me, you have framed me, you have guided me, you have mentored me, you have protected me, you have rendered your help and blessing at the time of my crucial struggling time in neurosurgery. I and my family will always remain indebted to you as long as I am surviving on the earth. And I think RIMS is also fortunate to have you as a chairperson of our scientific advisory committee. Thank you very much.